Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Apple TV on the latest TV OS, signed into the same Apple ID with iCloud keychain and two-factor authentication enabled. Once ready, make sure Apple TV is on your main Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet for stability. Now take action. Navigate to Settings, pick Users and Accounts, open iCloud, and turn on Use as Home Hub. This registers the device with Home and allows secure remote control. You'll see its status change to Hub in the Home app shortly after. Once your Apple TV is a hub, you configure the Home app on your phone. You'll verify that the Apple TV appears as a connected hub under Home settings. This matters because automations and remote access route through that device. Next, organize rooms and assign accessories so automations trigger correctly. Create automations that use hub conditions: time, location, or accessory state. Make sure accessories and Apple TV firmware are updated. If an automation fails, the hub's presence and accessory assignment are the usual culprits to recheck and fix. You finish by validating everything, trigger a simple automation, and use the Home app remotely to confirm the hub shows online. Make sure the Apple TV stays awake long enough for scheduled automations. Ethernet helps. For maintenance, keep TV OS and accessory firmware current and reboot Apple TV or your router when discovery hiccups occur. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud on the Apple TV or inspect your router's MDNS/UPnP and firewall settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.